Hello students, in this module we are going to talk about chapter electricity. This is our first module. In this chapter we are going to talk about charge, second electric potential, and potential difference, and finally current. So our first topic, charge. First of all, what is charge? So according to William Gilbert, charge is something possessed by material object that makes it possible for them to exert electrical force and to respond to the electrical force. Or we simply say charge is an inherent property of material by virtue of which it rises to electrical force. Okay. Second thing, what is the cause behind the generation of charge? If a body which is initially neutral means there is no charge. If this body loses some of its electron, so that body attain positive charge. Simply, if this body acquire negative electron, so this body will attain negative charge. So we simply say the cause of charging is actual transfer of electron from one material to the other. What are different properties of charge? First, opposite charges attract each other, whereas two similar charges repel each other. Second, charge also shows additive nature. So our second property is additivity of charge. Additivity of charge is a property by virtue of which Total charge of a system is obtained simply by adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system. Suppose if a body contains 10 positive charge and 2 negative charge, the total charge on this body is 10q minus 2q is equivalent to 8q. Our first property, this is our first property, this is our second property, and our third property is conservation of charge. Which simply says charge cannot be charge neither be created nor destroyed. It just transfer from one body to another. Our fourth and one of the most important property, quantization of charge. Which is simply also known as Q equals to NE plus minus, where plus sign denote positive charge and negative sign denote negative charge. This property says total charge found on a body is always equals to integral multiple of fundamental charge. E is fundamental charge. Or in other words, charge always transfer from one body to another body in integral multiple. Fundamental charge means 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb, where coulomb is SI unit of charge. So SI unit of charge is coulomb, which is denoted by capital C. The second topic is electric potential.